Welcome, in front of me I have AMAZFIT Bip 6 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and if you're looking for the power saving mode icon, this is the one with the percentage on it. This is the battery icon, and if you want to enable the power saving mode, you need to tap on it, tap on the arrow right here to skip the messages, and the power saving mode will be enabled. It's called battery saver mode on this watch, but it's the same thing basically. And you can tell that the mode is enabled by the icon appearing right here at the top of the watch face and the icon in the panel getting color. Basically it will get highlighted but different color than the white. And if you want to disable the power saving mode, you can open the quick panel, tap on the icon again, and it will bring you back to the normal mode rather. You can also do this through the settings, I believe. So if you press the upper button to open the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings you need to look for battery manager and tap on it. And let's see if we can turn it on right here. And I think I lied to you. Yeah, you can only change how the power saving mode behaves. So basically you can disable or enable the features during the power saving mode. So you can basically customize some settings for your power saving mode, but you can't enable it and disable it right here in this menu. Later on it will also give you estimation of the battery life. So once you enable and disable the features you like, it should be about all. So you can then press the upper button to go back to watch face, and that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.